Hello everybody, this is Michelle Fox and welcome back to The Simple Quilter. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a spray base for a medium-sized project. I don't quilt my own large quilts, but I do quilt my larger table runners or baby quilts or projects like this. So let me just show you a little bit about what I've done to get ready to baste this quilt. First of all, I cut the batting 2 to 3 inches bigger than the top, and then I cut the backing 2 to 3 inches larger than the batting. And I'll show you in a little bit why that's important, but I always want my backing to show because I want to be able to center my batting and the top onto the backing so that I'm not getting off on any of the edges. Okay, so let me move this to the kitchen. Okay, now this is just in here in our little dining area, and I'm just going to get this ready and show you how to get this ready. Now this is my basting kit, and in my basting kit I have clamps that I just purchased at Walmart, painter's tape, and a flannel sheet. Now to get this area ready, I'm just going to take the flannel sheet and I'm just going to clamp it onto the table. Now as you can see, you can baste a pretty good sized project on your dining table, and I have done up to a large baby quilt. Okay, now that I have that kind of spread out, I'm just going to start putting the clamps on. I'm going to pull it just snug, just a little bit. Okay, now as I'm on the other side, I'm just going to pull that tight and put the clamps on this side. And you just want to get it on there pretty snug. Now the first piece I'm going to lay down is the batting. Okay, now the flannel is going to help hold it in place. You want to be sure to pick off any threads that you see on there. Now the flannel pretty much holds it in place, but I do like to just tape the corners. And again, I'm just using the painter's tape to do that. Now the reason I do the backing first, or the batting first, is because I first baste the top to the batting. Then I'll pull this up, and then I will baste the top and the batting to the back. Okay, so this is all ready. Now let me show you how I prepare the outside area. Let me just explain to you what I've done. Because we live in a windy area, I've taped this black bag down, and I'm going to put my quilt top down with the right side down, and then I'll spray it. I'm not going to spray it with my camera out here, but I just wanted to show you the setup that I use. But I do go outside in a well-ventilated area. And then you can use the 505 basting spray or any other type of basting spray that you prefer. Now I'm going to run outside. I'm going to spray the back of my quilt top, and then Wes is going to help me lay this down. So I've got it sprayed. Wes is going to keep his end up, and then I'm just going to lay mine down and smooth it out. Okay, you can drop yours down, Wes. Okay, and just smooth it out.
How's that?
Now I'm going to tape the back down, and then we'll baste this onto the back.
Hold it.
Okay, so I have the back piece down, and I'm just going to smooth it all out, and I'm going to put a little bit of tape on this just to hold it. It's not absolutely necessary, but I do like to do this. Then I will spray the back of the batting, and we'll be bringing this back in to adhere it down, just like we did before. Okay, so now we have this piece. Wes is going to hold his end up until I get mine down. And then I'm just going to smooth it out again. Okay, and there you have it. It's ready to be quilted. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Please share with a friend. Leave a comment. I love to get the comments and try to reply to each and every one. And until next time, have fun quilting.